Hello. Hi guys. Very good morning. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. आवाज आ रही है? Sound clear? Yeah. If everything is fine, we can start the session. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Sorry for the delay. न्यूज़ अपडेट कर रहा था मैं. नोबल प्राइज लास्ट मोमेंट पे थोड़ा सा चेक करने लगा कि और क्या मिल सकता है डेटा. So, because there are one or two Nobel Prize where nominees are announced, but award have not been announced yet. So, I was confused कि वो वाले news अभी pick करें या नहीं करें. ठीक है. So, Nobel Prize also started started coming into the news. So, we need to cover the Nobel Prize also from now onwards. I'll discuss them in detail within the session. You guys just need to continue with the sessions. One important information and heartbreaking information to all of you. Ratan Tata sir passed away yesterday. Maybe you guys were aware about from the national media and all. So rest in peace, Ratan Tata sir. He received the Padam Vibhushan award, that is the second highest civilian award of India after receiving Padam Bhushan. So Padam Bhushan, Padam Vibhushan, that is the third highest, second highest civilian award of India have been given to him. Definitely government will not consider, government will provide the Bharat Ratna award to Ratan Tata. He was the real Ratna of India, right? So Mr. Ratan Tata was born on 28th of December 1937 in Bombay province during British India and passed away on 9th of October 2024. Do write in comment box also RIP. चलिए स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. गाइडली, वेलकम टू गाइडली. इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल येट, सब्सक्राइब इट टुडे, so you will be able to get all the current affairs update on the platform, also the complete guidance regarding the interviews in the upcoming days. होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लेते हैं पहले क्विकली. एमसीक्यूज रिवीजन के लिए आज टाइम नहीं था, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव नॉट डन येट. विल स्टार्ट इट बैक फ्रॉम द मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स. कल भी देखेंगे, कल टाइम रहेगा तो कल डेफिनेटली एमसीक्यूज रिवीजन करेंगे. बट होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लेते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्पोर्ट्स did not have Indian participation in the Paris Olympic 2024? Correct answer था taekwondo. From the Indian team, nobody have participated in the taekwondo. So largest representation with 29 athlete, 11 women, 18 men, that is Indian contingent in the Olympic 2024. Shooting second largest team with 21 members, hockey 19 players, table tennis 8 players, badminton 7 players, wrestling, archery, boxing each represented 6 players, golf 4 participants, and tennis 3, swimming 2 competitors, and other in 1 competitors. So basically we have not participated where in taekwondo. We have not participated. Who were the male flag bearer during the opening ceremony of Paris Olympics? So Sarat Kamal. And at the Paralympics, so it was Sumit Antil. So these were the flag bearers, javelin throw. Remaining flag bearer, closing ceremony, open ceremony, everything, every detail I have provided here. You will be able to get it from the PDF. PDF will be available immediately after the session from GA Genius Telegram group. Okay. हमारे TNA heroes के नाम, so Robinson, Divya, Aman, Mithilesh, Nikhil, Shraddha. Thank you guys. Thank you for answers. Simran, Pooja, Kiran, Atira, Rajnandini, Sabha, Harsha, Ritvik, Pankaj, Priya, Sarita ji, PK Dahiya, Nikita, and Ajay. Thank you guys. Thank you for answers. Let's see the questions for tomorrow. IMPS is a facility provided by NPCI from which of the following network? On which network IMPS do work? Second question. MMID is a code of how many digit? Third, IFSC is a code of how many digit? ये 3 क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सिंपल से क्वेश्चन है. डू आंसर देम इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की न्यूज. न्यूज नंबर 1 फ्रॉम द October month monetary policy. So October month monetary policy committee have been announced. Although it have been discussed in a separate session yesterday also, but it is my responsibility that who have not attended yesterday's session, they should get it from our daily current affairs as well. So monetary policy meeting 2024 announced repo rate does not made any change, means repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR, MSF, all these rates are same as like it was there in the month of August. तो इनमें कोई changes नहीं हुए हैं. So can we say that there is no change in monetary policy? Answer is no. There are lots of changes which are important from the monetary policy yesterday announcement. Point number one, RBI changed its policy stance. Policy stance means based on which RBI decides their upcoming days rate of interest. So previously the policy stance was withdrawal of accommodation. Withdrawal of accommodation means there was no chance of decrement of repo rate. कोई चांस नहीं होता है रेपो रेट के डिक्रीमेंट का. That is called withdrawal of accommodation. Now RBI moved from here to neutral. Neutral means now RBI will think and decide if required policy rate may decrease in future. बहुत possibilities हैं. It was the 51st edition of meeting. Foreign currency reserve of India crosses to 700 billion. ये सारे important point हो गए. Monetary Policy Committee formed according to section 45ZB of RBI Act 1934. So it's an important section. According to monetary policy, according to section 45ZB, Monetary Policy Committee was formed. On the final recommendation of Urjit R. Patel Committee, Monetary Policy Committee in India was formed in the year 2016, right? 2016 में बना था. Now, the members Dr. Shashanka Bhide, Dr. Ashima Goyal and Jayant R. Verma sir replaced. So new members are appointed. New members are S. Bhattacharya sir, Professor Ram and Dr. Nagesh Kumar. So these are the three new members of Monetary Policy Committee. तो Monetary Policy Committee में total member होते हैं 6. Out of 6 members, 3 members nominated by the Government of India. Other 3 members are nominated by Reserve Bank of India. Do you know that? What is the minimum number of members required out of 6 to conduct a meeting, to consider that this meeting will be conducted? So, what is the quorum of Monetary Policy Committee? Tell me the answer in the chat box. कितने क्या quorum क्या है, कितने लोग होने चाहिए कम से कम to conduct a Monetary Policy Committee? So, currently the 6 members are S. Bhattacharya ji, Professor Ram, Dr. Nagesh Kumar, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, Dr. Michael D. Patra and Shaktikanta Das sir. These are the 6 members. Out of 6, how many members required? 4 members required out of 6. Very good. Inflation prediction is 4.5%. 4.5% for the current financial year. GDP prediction 7.2% for the current financial year. UPI 123 pay limit have been increased from 5,000 rupee to 10,000 rupee. तो UPI 123 पे का लिमिट इंक्रीज हो गया. UPI 123 पे इज अ फैसिलिटी अंडर विच यू कैन ट्रांसफर द मनी विदाउट एनी पिन. आपको पिन का जरूरत नहीं होता है. इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के बिना इसको ट्रांसफर किया जा सकता है. इट इज अ फैसिलिटी विच वर्क ऑन साउंड वेव टेक्नोलॉजी. UPI 123 पे was launched on 9th of March 2022. Another UPI wallet facility that is called UPI Lite. UPI Lite facility wallet recharge limit have been increased from 2,000 रुपी टू 5,000 रुपी. 2,000 से इंक्रीज करके 5,000 रुपी वॉलेट रिचार्ज फैसिलिटी हो गया है. एंड पर ट्रांजेक्शन लिमिट इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 500 रुपी टू 1,000 रुपी. और पर ट्रांजेक्शन लिमिट आपका इंक्रीज करके 500 से 1,000 कर दिया गया है. आफ्टर दैट लुकअप फैसिलिटी विल बी अवेलेबल इन विच वन? In NEFT and RTGS. In NEFT and RTGS, lookup facility will be available. What is the meaning of lookup facility? In which before transferring money you will be able to see the name of the account holder, like you are able to see the name of the account holder in UPI. So lookup facility is already working in UPI and IMPS. Similar facility will be implemented in NEFT and RTGS. Foreclosure charges which were not applicable on the home loans till now. Home loans के ऊपर कोई भी foreclosure charges नहीं लगाया जाता था. Means if you want to close your loan before the maturity period, bank cannot take the penalty on the closure of the loan account before the maturity period. That is called foreclosure charges. It was not allowed on the home loan till now, but now this foreclosure charges will not be allowed on the micro small enterprises loan as well. So MSE loans पर भी अब foreclosure charges नहीं लगेंगे. Another announcement by the Reserve Bank of India. Important points हैं सारे के सारे. UPI limit in the last monetary policy in the August month was increased in the case of tax payment. Now 5 lakh rupees the UPI limit applicable in the tax payment, healthcare, education and financial investment. इन सब जगह पर आपका 5 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट है. फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट मीन इन केस ऑफ IPO. इन केस ऑफ IPO. ठीक है. इन्फ्लेशन रेट की बात करें सो इन्फ्लेशन रेट 4.5% करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लिए. मेन रीजन बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फ्लेशन रेट वाज फूड एंड मेटल प्राइस इंक्रीज. फूड एंड मेटल, दीज वर द टू रीजंस गिवन बाय रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ प्राइसेस इन इंडिया. Quarter 2, Quarter 3, Quarter 4, Quarter 1 of the next financial year data you will be able to get it from the PDF. PDF का पता आपको पता होगा that where you can download the PDF either from the Guidely Telegram group or from the GA Genius by Aditya sir on this Telegram group. GDP growth rate for the financial year 24-25 is 7.2%. So this is these two data are important, 4.5 and 7.2%. करंट में आपका पॉलिसी रेट है 6.5, एसडीएफ है 6.25, एमएसएफ 6.75, बैंक रेट 6.75, रिवर्स रेपो रेट 3.35, सीआरआर 4.5, एसएलआर 18. करंट रेट याद रखना. अगस्त मंथ द मेजर चेंजेस व्हिच वी हैव सीन. UPI tax payment was increased from 1 lakh to 5 lakh rupee. Announcement of Digita delegated payment under which UPI circle was launched. UPI circle delegated payment का ही पार्ट है, that was announced, right? तो ये मेजर चेंजेस हुए थे आपके पास. लिमिट्स आपको याद हो गए होंगे अब तक. UPI P2P P2M का लिमिट है आपका 1 लाख रुपी पर ट्रांजेक्शन लिमिट. भीम UPI लिमिट इज ऑल्सो 1 lakh. UPI in case of IPO retail direct is 5 lakh rupee. UPI in case of mutual fund insurance payment loan repayment it is 2 lakh rupee. UPI Lite wallet recharge limit is now 5,000 rupee, right? इसका वॉलेट रिचार्ज लिमिट हो गया 5,000 पर ट्रांजेक्शन. लिमिट इनका हो गया अब कितना इंक्रीज हो गया 1,000 रुपी फ्रॉम 500. UPI 123 पे नाउ द लिमिट इज 10,000 रुपी. USSD लिमिट इज स्टिल 5,000. तो ये आपके पास मेजर चेंजेस थे, ठीक है. Continuous clearing of check was announced by Reserve Bank of India, not yet implemented, but very soon RBI is going to announce the process or going to announce the development over it. That continuous clearing of check will be implemented. After that, credit information companies were instructed by Reserve Bank of India to update the CIBIL score within 15 days. कि 15 दिन में आप CIBIL score को update करें. So this was the news from the monetary policy. Moving to the next section, that is banking and financial news. In the banking and financial news category, Arca FinCap launches Uday to boost the MSME growth of small ticket loans. So small ticket loans means very small amount of loan which is required in the market. But in this case, a small ticket loan will be provided to micro, small, medium enterprises owners. So MSME owners can borrow the loan from 10 lakh rupee to 30 lakh rupee as per their requirement. Arca FinCap Limited is a subsidiary of Kirloskar Oil Engine Company Limited. So Kirloskar Group की कंपनी है, FinTech financial company है, that is NBFC है. Arca FinCap. They launched a new loan offer or a new loan product called Uday. Uday is the name of new loan product offered by them. It is a small ticket loan against the property. So it's a secure loan, a small ticket secure business loan against the property, 10 lakh to 30 lakh rupee loan. They will be initially targeting this loan from Tamil Nadu. So they will be offering the loan in Salem, Vellore, Tirupur, after that Porur and Coimbatore. So in these 4-5 cities they will be starting it, and later they will increase this Uday loan to complete India. Mr. Vimal Bhandari is the CEO. Mumbai, Maharashtra is the headquarter of Arca FinCap Limited. After that, another news, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, which is a life insurance company of Reliance Group. This company have recently launched Nishchit Pension Plan. Nishchit Pension Plan is a type of combination of insurance plus pension plan. So it's a insurance cum retirement, long-term retirement pension plan which is launched by Reliance now. Nothing more than that going to come into the examination. Exam question will be Reliance Nippon Life Insurance recently launched which insurance plan? What is the name of it? So correct answer is Nishchit. Nishchit means confirmed. So Nishchit Pension Plan launched by Reliance. It is a combination of insurance plus the pension plan, retirement plan. So insurance or retirement plan ka combination hai. Mr. Ashish Vohra is the CEO of the company. Another news is SDFC Bank. Next news is SDFC Bank announced to make the disinvestment of 100% stake in HDFC EDU at 192 crore rupees. So HDFC HDFC EDU is a subsidiary of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is going to sell this subsidiary to Vama Sundari Investment. So Vama Sundari Investment is going to buy the company called HDFC Education. This company is a subsidiary of HDFC currently. This company will be sold by HDFC Bank to Vama Sundari Investment at the cost of 192 करोड़ 192 करोड़ रुपए पर ये जो कंपनी जो है ये HDFC सेल कर देगा. Vama Sundari Investment is related to HDFC Asset Management Company. Although this company Vama Sundari have big investment from HDFC Asset Management Company. It means HDFC will indirectly going to keep the control over HDFC EDU Education. HDFC EDU is a business providing service company for the schools, higher education, vocational education, training, and supplement education. It incorporated means founded in the year 2011 with the total income of 18.18 crore by March 2024. So it's a company of HDFC Bank which work in the education sector. Education sector की company है. 100% stake will be transferred by HDFC Bank to Vama Sundari Group. So Vama Sundari will be buying it. आते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट न्यूज पर. अपॉइंटमेंट न्यूज में दो तीन इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज है काफी ज्यादा. न्यूज नंबर 1, जेपी नड्डा सर, आवर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, elected as the chairperson of 77th session of WHO Regional Committee. So 77th session of WHO committee was conducted recently in New Delhi. तो इस summit कहां पर हुआ ये भी पूछ सकते हैं, that where was the 77th edition of WHO Regional Committee summit was held. So it was held recently in New Delhi. Which edition? 77th edition. So Union Health Minister JP Nadda sir elected as the chairperson of 77th edition of WHO Regional Committee of Southeast Asia. So it is a regional committee of Southeast Asia which have the members Bangladesh, Bhutan, Democratic People of Republic of Korea. After that India, Indonesia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand and Timor. So these are the members. Now Mr. JP Nadda became the chairperson of this committee. 77th edition of WHO Regional Committee of Southeast Asia was held from 7 to 9th of October. Yesterday it was over in New Delhi, India. तो भारत में conduct हुआ 7 to 9th of October ये meeting. WHO founded on 7th of April 1948, Geneva, Switzerland headquarter है. And WHO 77th edition chairperson is 77th session of WHO Regional Committee of Southeast Asia chairperson is Mr. JP Nadda. नड्डा साहब बने इसके chairperson. Next है Shigeru Ishiba. Shigeru Ishiba is the name of the new Prime Minister of Japan. He is the 102nd Prime Minister of Japan. So Shigeru Ishiba is the name of the new Prime Minister of Japan और इन्होंने replace किया है Fumio Kishida को. Fumio Kishida replaced by Shigeru Ishiba. Shigeru Ishiba is the name of the new Prime Minister of Japan. Capital is Tokyo, currency is yen. Shigeru Ishiba belongs to Liberal Democratic Party. So Liberal Democratic Party of Japan को belong करते हैं. Name is Shigeru Ishiba. He have taken charge as 102nd Prime Minister of Japan. Retired IPS officer. Next one. Retired IPS officer Mr. Sarad Kumar appointed as the new chief of BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit. So BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit which focuses on doping, and match fixing, etc. In such areas, their task is to stop all such things in the sports, especially in the sports relevant to or related to the BCCI. So BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit, retired IPS officer Mr. Sarad Kumar, who will be heading the anti-terror organization NIA for 4 years. So he was the Director General of NIA for 4 years, have been appointed as the new chief of BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit. तो BCCI के Anti-Corruption Unit के नए डायरेक्टर का नाम है Mr. Sarad Kumar. He have replaced to Mr. KK Mishra, who did not completed his term as ACU head. तो इन्होंने टर्म जो है पूरा नहीं किया, उनकी जगह पर आए हैं मिस्टर शरद कुमार जी. आते हैं नेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज में. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज फॉर द डे इज नोबेल प्राइज 2024. सो नोबेल प्राइज 2024, व्हाट इज द अवार्ड मनी? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what will be the award money for the Nobel Prize 2024? So award money is 11 million sets. So Nobel Prize 2024 24 कर लेना यहाँ पे. Nobel Prize 2024 award money is 11 million Swedish kroner. So award money given in the field of 11 given in the करेंसी ऑफ स्वीडिश क्रोनर. स्वीडिश क्रोनर में दिया जाता है 11 मिलियन स्वीडिश क्रोनर इज द नोबेल प्राइज अवार्ड फॉर द ईयर 2024. 2024 का अवार्ड है. नोबेल प्राइज पीस अवॉर्डेड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री. अच्छा, अब यहां पर कंफ्यूजन ये होता है, ऑल द नोबेल प्राइज अवॉर्डेड बाय स्वीडन, out of all the Nobel Prize awarded by Sweden, one Nobel Prize provided by Norway. So Nobel Prize Peace offered by Norway. Last year exam के questions में था ये, बैंक एग्जाम्स क्वेश्चंस में 2-3 जगह पर आया था. So Nobel Prize, all Nobel Prize provided by Sweden, only Nobel Prize Peace offered means provided by Norway. तो एक Nobel Prize आपका नॉर्वे प्रोवाइड करता है, बाकी सारे के सारे Nobel Prize कौन देता है? So all other Nobel Prize provided by Sweden. बाकी सारे स्वीडन से आते हैं. So Nobel Prize considered as the most prestigious award in the world. Highest award in the world is called Nobel Prize. It is given in the 6th field, that is physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics and peace prize. Nobel Prize started in the year 1901. Nobel Prize economics started in the year 1967. So only economics started later. Remaining all started in the year 1901. हाँ, सेम क्वेश्चन आया था ना IBPS PO मेंस में, करेक्ट है. सो नोबेल प्राइज स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 1901. ओनली नोबेल प्राइज इकोनॉमिक्स स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 1967. इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स की बात करें, मैडम क्वेरी इज द ओनली वन वुमन हु हैव बीन ऑनर्ड विद द नोबेल प्राइज इन द ईयर 1903 इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिक्स एंड इन 1911 in the field of chemistry. She is the only person who have been honored with the Nobel Prize in 2 different fields. Just imagine how intelligent she was. So Madame Curie was honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and Nobel Prize with Chemistry in the year 1911. John B. Goodenough was the oldest person to receive the Nobel Prize in the year 2019 at the age of 97 years. Malala Yousafzai was the youngest person who honored with the Nobel Prize in the year 2014 with Kailash Satyarthi sir. Kailash Satyarthi sir is Indian and Malala Yousafzai belongs to Pakistan. So 2014 Nobel Prize Peace was shared between 2 people, one Malala Yousafzai, another name was Kailash Satyarthi sir. तो 2024 में 2014 की बात है, ठीक है. Swedish chemist, engineer, industrialist Mr. Alfred Nobel established 5 Nobel Prize in the year 1895. Started from the year 1901. 1901 से start हुआ था, ठीक है. Nobel Prize in the field of economics science was started from the year 1969. तो Nobel Prize economics science 1969 में start हुआ, बाकी सारे आपके पहले start हो गए थे. Nobel Prize in peace. Nobel Prize in peace provided by Norway, remaining all provided by Sweden. तो मैंने एक बार रिवाइज करवा दिया. Who were the Indians honored with the Nobel Prize? Nobel Prize in the year 1913. The first Indian honored by the Nobel Prize was Mr. Rabindranath Tagore in the field of literature, popularly known as Gurudev. Gurudev के नाम से भी कहा जाता था, मतलब जाना जाता था टैगोर साहब को. So Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian honored with the Nobel Prize in the field of literature. 1930 C.V. Raman. Everyone read Raman effect in the physics. So C.V. Raman, physicist or physics scientist, was honored with the Nobel Prize in the year 1930 in the field of definitely physics. 1968 Hargobind Khurana in the field of medicine. 1979 Mother Teresa in the field of peace prize. Mother Teresa was not born Indian. She was born in Albania. Got settled in India. She accepted the citizenship of India. Sometime you get the question in examination, who was the Indian origin honored with the Nobel Prize in Peace? First Indian origin honored with the Nobel Prize in Peace. Then answer will be Kailash Satyarthi. So Indian origin, जिनका origin India में था, जिनका जन्म India में हुआ है. So who was the person born in India and honored with the Nobel Prize in Peace? So answer will be Kailash Satyarthi in the year 2014. 1998 Amartya Sen economics. The first economics one. Second one 2019 Abhijit Banerjee in the field of economics. This was the last award which came to India from the Nobel Prize. So 2019 में आया था last in the field of economic science. तो ये हो गए आपके पास सारे के सारे important awardees Indians के फॉर्म में. Clear है? आगे आ जाइए. What are the awards for this year? So Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun. Gary Ruvkun. फिर भी easy names हैं. If you will read the name of last year, they were very difficult. Victor Ambrose, very simple name. Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun win the Nobel Prize in medicine for microRNA discovery. Both belongs to USA. अच्छा part ये है. Both belongs to USA, United States of America. So easy to remember that from where they belongs to. So Victor and Gary belongs to USA, honored in the field of medicine. Victor Gary, USA, honored in medicine. तो मेडिसिन में इनको ऑनर किया गया है फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ माइक्रो आरएनए की डिस्कवरी के लिए इनको ऑनर किया गया है. ठीक है. एंड अवार्ड मनी विल बी 11 मिलियन स्वीडिश क्राउन दिस ईयर. ठीक है, क्रोनर एक्चुअली बोलते हैं उसको. नोबेल प्राइज इन द फील्ड ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. सो नोबेल प्राइज इन द फील्ड ऑफ केमिस्ट्री विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू 3 people. One is David Baker, second is Demis Hassabis, and third one is John Jumper. So these are the 3 people, those who will be honored with the Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. फिर से एक बार नाम देख लेते हैं जरा आराम से. So पहला नाम है आपके पास डेविड बेकर फ्रॉम USA फॉर कंप्यूटेशनल प्रोटीन डिजाइन. इनको अवार्ड मिला है. एंड रिमेनिंग हाफ अवार्ड गोज टू डेमिस हेबासिस ऑफ UK and John Jumper of USA for the protein structure prediction or protein design. So in both areas, if you will observe, award given in the field of protein, for the research in the field of protein, computational protein design, protein structure prediction. So in both areas it is related to the protein structure, protein design, protein structure. Half of the award given to David Baker, who belongs to USA, and remaining half award given to Demis John. Demis belongs to UK and John belongs to USA. तो ये आपके पास awards हो गए. Point clear है sir? Yes or no? Clear है यहाँ तक हर एक point. And you know the importance of Nobel Prize. It is not even me required to give you realization that how important Nobel Prizes are. So I have given you the information of Nobel Prize till date, whatever the updates are there. Tomorrow we are going to cover again physics. कल cover करेंगे. कल तक physics का नाम हमारे पास होगा. So we'll cover physics tomorrow. Similarly literature. In next 2-3 days you will be able to see all the awards. So Health Minister Mr. JP Nadda announced enhanced nutrition support for TB patient. TB patient के लिए इन्होंने अभी जो स्कीम है निक्षय पोषण योजना scheme, the support, budgetary support have been increased. So Mr. JP Nadda, Health Minister of India, he have recently increased the support under Nikshay Poshan Yojana for the TB patient. Previously under the Nikshay Poshan Yojana, the financial support was provided only to the patient. But now under Nikshay Poshan Yojana, apart from TB patient, their family members will also get the financial support. फिर से सुन लीजिए, निक्षय पोषण योजना में जो लोग टीबी बीमारी से परेशान हैं उनको फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड की जाती थी फॉर द न्यूट्रिशनल फूड, सो दे कैन टेक द न्यूट्रिशनल फूड. But now their family member will also covered under this scheme. So from the existing 500 rupee, the support system increased to 1000. So previously the support system was 500 rupee per month. Now it has been increased to 1000 rupee. 500 से increase करके कितना कर दिया है 1000. TB patient will also receive now nutritional support of 3000 to 6000 rupee under Nikshay Poshan Yojana. Government also decided to permit the extension of scope coverage of Nikshay under Pradhan Mantri Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to all the family members of TB patient. TB patient के family members को भी इसमें include किया जाएगा. So from 3 to 6000 rupee will be provided to a family where there is a TB patient. जो TB patient है उनके family वालों को इतना पैसा दिया जाएगा. रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा डेफिनेटली. डू यू नो दैट व्हाट इज द टारगेट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू इराडिक द टीबी फ्रॉम इंडिया? ट्यूबरक्लोसिस इराडिक्शन जो है उसका टारगेट क्या रखा है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने? व्हाट इज द टारगेट? अनदर वन और टू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. Currently, the Secretary of Family and Health and Family Welfare is P.S. Srivastava, and who is the chairperson of a committee formed by Government of India for eradication of TB from India, completely elimination of TB tuberculosis from India. So Soumya Swaminathan ma'am have been appointed as the chairperson of that committee. Government of India kept the target 2025 to eliminate the TB from India. Next news from State in News category. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister launches Sankalp initiative to tackle the drug menace. Sankalp initiative also aimed to address the drug trafficking in Himachal Pradesh. Apart from that, government will also focus on de-addiction, rehabilitation. So government will be setting up de-addiction rehabilitation center within Himachal Pradesh for the drug addict people, so they can keep themselves away from the drug addiction. ठीक है, so दो ऑब्जेक्ट में काम करेगा संकल्प. ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 1 that fight with the problem of drug trafficking. Point number 2, rehabilitation support by setting up the rehabilitation center. This scheme or this initiative called Sankalp, announced by the Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, Chief Minister announced it at Divya Jyoti Jagrati Sansthan event that is conducted in the state capital Shimla. तो शिमला में इनका एक इवेंट था, वहां पर चीफ मिनिस्टर ने संकल्प इनिशिएटिव को अनाउंस किया है. 7th of October celebrated in the form of World Habitat Day, engaging youth to build the better urban future. This is the theme of 2024. World Habitat Day celebrated first time in the year 1985. 9th of October celebrated in the form of World Post Day. 150 year of enabling the communication, empowering people across the nation. This is the theme. This year 2024 completed 150 anniversary of Universal Postal Union that was established in the year 1874 in Bern, Switzerland. So Universal Postal Union was created in the year 1874 in Bern, Switzerland. 2024 is 150th year of anniversary, going to be important. 150 year of enabling the communication empower across nation is the theme of 2024. Our batch of general awareness is live on the Guidely platform with the name GA Hustle Batch. So you can join the GA Hustle Batch to start your preparation for your IBPS PO and SBI PO examination. GA GNS is the name of the Telegram group. Here you can able to get all the PDF of mine. RRB PO offline Delhi NCR batch is available, started from 7th of October onwards. 7th of October से हमने इसको start किया है. You can join this batch, or complete online batch is also available from 7th of October. You can join the batches by using code RRBPO to get the maximum discount, additional 10% discount. Currently there is an offer. Currently the offer is going on before result. Also, if you are unable to clear your mains examination that you are not qualified for the interview, you can get the refund of your fees. तो पैसा हम नहीं लेंगे अगर आपका मेंस नहीं निकला तो, टेंशन मत लेना. Please like the session, share the session and subscribe the channel if you're watching the session for the first time. I'll be meeting you back in the next session very soon. Till that time, keep watching Guidely. Take care. Jai Hind.